In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Etims. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So eTeams, or Enhanced Teacher Information Management Systems, is a digital platform designed to streamline the management of teacher information. While specific details may vary based on your institution or the version of eTeams you're using, here's a general tutorial on how you use eTeams effectively. So first is accessing eTeams. So visit the eTeams website or application, enter your username and password to log in. Also, if you don't have an account, you may need to register or contact your institution's administrator. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your activities and notifications. So for the sections, you will see the profile section where you can manage your personal information. You can see the attendance section, track and manage your attendance records, the schedule section, the leaves section, and the performance section. So those are the sections of the dashboard. So for managing your profile, you want to navigate to the profile section, edit your personal details such as name, address, phone number, and email. Upload a profile picture if required, and save the changes. Now, for the professional information, you can add or update your qualifications, certifications, and experience. You can also upload relevant documents such as the certificates and degrees. Next is attendance management. So, when marking the attendance, you want to go to the attendance section. Select the date and mark your attendance status, such as present, absent, and leave. Now, submit your attendance. Also, you can view attendance records, so you can access past attendance records, generate attendance reports if needed. Next is scheduling in classes. So in viewing schedules, you want to navigate to the schedule section. So you can view daily, weekly, and monthly teaching schedules. You can also check class timings, subjects, and classroom locations. Next is managing classes. You can add or update class details only if you have administrative privileges. You can also view student lists for each class. Now, leave management. So applying for leave, so you want to go to the leave section, click on apply for leave. You can also fill in the leave application form with details such as leave type, dates, and reason. Now submit the application for approval. You can also track your leave status. And now for the performance and reviews, you can navigate to the performance section, access your performance reviews and feedback from supervisors, and also review your performance metrics and ratings. You can also set goals, so set professional development goals, track your progress towards achieving these goals. And the additional features for the app is the notifications and alerts, reports and analytics, support and help. So you can access the help and support section here. You can contact support for any technical issues or queries. Also, training sessions. You can participate in training sessions or webinars organized by your institution to get a better understanding of eTeams features. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.